Designed for site-specific control for 20 and 24-inch potable water, wastewater, and industrial water pipes, the Insta-Valve 2024 is a versatile and innovative solution that eliminates shutdowns and reduces costs by up to 30% during planned, routine, or emergency maintenance. Packed with features and benefits, the Insta-Valve 2024 is constructed of ductile iron with a fusion-bonded epoxy coating for superior strength and durability. Utilizes a tried-and-true line tapping method for a fast and dependable under-pressure installation, and is a permanent asset that can be capitalized and depreciated over time. Whether installed vertically or horizontally, the Insta-Valve 2024's two-stage resilient wedge valve cartridge provides an optimum seal for continual control. For more information about the Insta-Valve 2024 and the rest of Hydrostop solutions for control, visit hydrostop.com or contact Inside Sales at 708-389-5111 or toll free at 800-538-7867.